See, first of all, I just wanted to clarify that, the ADRASL, a group, which is trying to support the entrepreneurship in this country. Primarily, Ramki wants to be supportive of that initiative, which is completely a neutral platform. Primarily, the reason is, I want that, it's not just Ramki, like this, several other industrial houses of this country to be part of this initiative. I see the need of supporting entrepreneurship in a big way, because in my journey of last 15 years, when I look at, for entrepreneurship, the support mechanism was not that enough, that sufficient, is what I feel personally, which is one of the toughest journey. I say that entrepreneurs nowadays, is like a freedom fighter, and truly very, very little support from the system. So that's the reason I thought the problems that we have faced, if we can minimize some of those problems to the new entrepreneurs, I think that would be the contribution that we will be giving. So we thought through our foundation, Ramki Foundation, while we have several other objectives, we also have the entrepreneur support as one of the objectives. So for that, when I looked at bringing in a common platform, I was looking for a really capable person who can lead this initiative. So after a lot of such and support from my friends, I could get the support of Mr. P.V. Narasimham. He has agreed. He was former IFCI chairman, and really, I know his contribution to entrepreneurship. He has given a lot of support to the Indian industry. So we found him, and he is now leading this initiative. And initial days, we took a call that Ramki will completely support this initiative, but as I told, down the line, a lot more corporates are already interested. I wanted to tell you IFCI, ILFS, and then Shriram Group really wanted to support this initiative. They have already given their consent. So Mr. Narasimham is working out. And likewise, several other industrial houses, are really willing to support it. And we felt as Ramki, with our presence across India and already supporting more than 12,000 industrial houses of this country in environmental and waste management business. They are our direct clients, and more than 30,000 hospitals, across the country, our clients, and more than 35-40 corporations and municipalities are our clients. So I could see that we can build a reasonable platform, and also, within this, we have a lot of NGOs with whom we are working very closely. So we felt that we could really provide the required platform initially, and then it could really catch up as a movement and can really see a big success. So before Mr. P.V. Narasimham joined us a year ago, we started, of course, this initiative of supporting for the last 4 or 5 years. And I can tell you today, I think more than 20 entrepreneurs, to whom we are already supporting.